To boost FPS in Borderlands 4, first of all we'll need to open the options for our game. Next step is to enter visuals right here, go to the advanced options and then look for the upscaling method. Right here I would recommend to go for the specified upscaling method based on your graphics card. For example, if you're using the NVIDIA, go for DLSS. If you're using the AMD, go for FSR. If you're using Intel, go for XESS. And those options I know. I'm not sure about TSR, I haven't tested that yet, but in my case I'm using NVIDIA card, so I'm going for DLSS. And now, depending on the performance that you currently have, you should adjust upscaling quality based on that as well. So if your game has like 10 FPS, I strongly recommend to go for ultra performance right here. If you feel confident, you can switch between performance, balanced options as well. And if you're very confident, you can go for a quality or full resolution. And these should boost your FPS a lot. Additionally, you can find frame generation depending on your hardware as well. You should be able to turn it on, and this will give you the FPS as well. Should boost it, but you will get some input lag with that when it's enabled. Other settings with standard things, I would just put them based on what your auto detect graphics preset detected, and then just stick with that. Just manage those settings right here to greatly boost your FPS. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.